Dear students, in last class we have discussed basics of RLC series circuit. In today's class, we will solve three problems based on RLC series circuits. Here is question number 1. In a series RLC circuit, R is equal to 3 ohm, L is equal to 0.125 Henry and capacitance of a capacitor C is equal to 36 microfarad. A supply voltage of 240 volt is applied to the circuit. Taking frequency of supply voltage as 50 Hz, calculate power factor, apparent power, reactive power, real power and draw phasor diagram. Solution. From given information, we will draw the circuit diagram first. R is 3 ohm, L is 0.125 Henry and C is 36 microfarad. Supply voltage is 240 volt. Frequency is 50 Hz. To calculate the power factor, we need to calculate impedance. So first we will calculate impedance, and for calculation of impedance we need XL and XC value, that is inductive reactance, XL is equal to 2 pi FL, that is equal to 2 into pi into 50 into 0.125, that is equal to 39.27 ohms. Next we will calculate capacitive reactance. XC is equal to 1 by 2 pi FC, that is 1 by 2 pi into 50 into 36 into 10 raised to minus 6. On simplification we get 88.42 ohms. Impedance Z is equal to under root R square plus XL minus XC square, that is equal to 3 square plus 39.27 minus 88.42 whole square under the root. On simplification, 49.24 ohms. Now we can calculate power factor. Power factor cos phi is R by Z, that is 3 divided by 49.24, that is equal to 0.06. Using cos phi we can calculate phase angle phi. That is phi equal to cos inverse of 0.06, and that is 86.5 degrees. Sin phi is equal to sin of 86.5 degrees, that is equal to 0.998. Supply current I is equal to V by Z, that is equal to 240 divided by 49.24. On simplification it becomes 4.87 amperes. Now we will calculate apparent power. S equal to Vi, that is equal to 240 into 4.87. On simplification we get it as 1169.78 volt ampere. Real power or true power or active power, capital P, is equal to Vi cos phi. V into I we have calculated as 1169.78 into cos phi, that is 0.06. On multiplication we get 70.186 watts. Reactive power Q is equal to V into I into sin phi, that is 1169.78 into 0.998. On simplification we get 1167.44 volt ampere reactive. Next we have to draw phasor diagram. Taking voltage as reference, we will show V equal to 240 at 0 degrees. So here is now 0 degree line. We have calculated XL and XC values here. By comparing, we come to know XC is more than XL. That means RLC series circuit given to us will behave like RC series circuit. In other words, we can say current in the circuit leads the supply voltage by an angle of 86.5 degrees. Therefore, we will show the supply current equal to 4.87 ampere at 86.5 degrees. So this is phasor diagram for given circuit. We will take second problem now. Question number 2. A series RLC circuit has R equal to 10 ohm, L equal to 1 Henry and C equal to 20 microfarad. It is supplied with a source of 200 volt at 50 Hz frequency. Find the input current and voltage across the elements. Solution. Now from given information, by using given information we will draw the series RLC circuit. Resistance is 10 ohm, inductance is 1 Henry, capacitance is 20 microfarad, supply voltage is 200 volt and frequency is 50 Hz. To find the input current we need to calculate the impedance, and for calculation of impedance we need XL and XC value. So right here, inductive reactance XL equal to 2 pi FL, that is equal to 2 into pi into 50 into 1. On simplification we get 314.16 ohms. Next we will calculate capacitive reactance. XC equal to 1 by 2 pi FC, that is 1 by 2 into pi into 50 into 20 into 10 raised to minus 6. On simplification we get 159.15 ohm. Impedance Z is equal to under the root R square plus XL minus XC whole square, that is equal to under the root 10 square plus 314.16 minus 159.15 whole square. On simplification, impedance becomes 155.33 ohms. Therefore, input current or supply current, which can be shown in this circuit here as I is equal to V by Z, that is 200 divided by 155.33 ohms. On simplification, we get 1.287 amperes. Power factor cos phi is equal to R by Z, that is 10 divided by 155.33, that is equal to 0.0643 0.0643. Phi is equal to 86.30 degrees. In this given circuit, XL is more than XC. Therefore, circuit will behave like RL series circuit, and the current through the circuit will be lagging the supply voltage. So you can write here input current lags supply voltage by 86.30 degrees, as XL is greater than XC. Next, we will calculate voltage across all the elements. Voltage across resistor, that is VR equal to I into R, that is equal to 1.287 into 10, that is 12.87 volts. Voltage across inductor VL is equal to I into XL, that is 1.287 into 314.16, and that is equal to 404.32 volts. Voltage across capacitor VC equal to I into XC, that is 1.287 into 159.15, that is equal to, on multiplication we get 204.82 volts. So this is complete solution. Now we will take third problem. Question number 3. Two impedances Z1 equal to 5 plus J45 ohm and Z2 equal to 4 minus J36 ohm are connected in series. This series combination is connected across a supply source of 250 volt at 60 Hz. Calculate supply current, power factor and power consumed by the entire circuit. Also state the nature of circuit. Solution. Given Z1 equal to 5 plus J45 ohm and it is of the form R plus JXL. By comparison we get resistance R1 equal to 5 ohm and XL equal to 45 ohm. Similarly Z2 is equal to 4 minus J36 ohm and it is of the form R2 minus JXC. By comparison R2 is 4 ohm and XC is 36 ohm. Since Z1 and Z2 are connected, in series, Z1 plus Z2 is equal to 5 plus J45 plus 4 minus J36. I have taught you already how to make use of calculator to add phasors. On simplification, you will be getting 9 plus J 9 ohm. And let us say this Z1 plus Z2 is equal to total impedance of the circuit, capital Z. We can convert the rectangular form into polar form by using calculator. And when we convert, we get 9 plus J9 ohm as 12.72 at an angle of 45 degree. Unit will remain as ohm, that is Z is equal to 12.72 at an angle of 45 degree ohms. Supply current I is equal to V by Z, that is 250. Voltage angle is not given, we will take it as a reference or 0 degree, divided by 12.72 at an angle of 45 degree. On simplification we get 19.65 at an angle of minus 45 degree amperes. Negative sign with angle tells us that current is lagging the supply voltage. And when voltage is at 0 degree, current is at minus 45 degree. Phase angle between V and I is 0 degree minus of minus 45 degree. That is equal to 45 degree. So you can see here, difference of phase angles of voltage and current is equal to phase angle of impedance. Hence now we can calculate power factor. Cos phi equal to cos of 45 degree, that is 0.707. Power consumed by entire circuit P is equal to Vi cos phi, that is 200 and 250 into 19.65 into 0.707. On simplification we get $3,473.137 watts or 3.473137 kilowatt. Since current lags the supply voltage, circuit behaves like RL series circuit. Dear students, I will stop the class here and continue in next class. Thank you.